McDonald's fries aren't just a simple side dish. They're a global phenomenon, a beloved snack, and for many, an essential part of the fast food experience. From kids to adults, people everywhere are drawn to their golden, crispy perfection. But have you ever paused to wonder just how these fries come to life? What exactly goes into making those perfectly crispy, yet fluffy fries that you grab at the drive-thru window? The process is more intricate, high-tech, and fascinating than you might imagine, and today, we're going to walk you through it all. From the moment the potatoes are planted in the soil to when they're perfectly crisp and ready for you to enjoy, it's a journey of innovation, precision, and dedication. If you've ever been curious about the process behind the food you love, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to stay tuned for more deep dives into how your favorite foods are made. The journey to perfect McDonald's fries begins with one simple yet crucial ingredient, the potato, but not just any potato will do. Every year, McDonald's uses millions of pounds of potatoes, and they rely on a few very specific varieties grown just for them. The most commonly used variety is the russet Burbank potato, and there's a very good reason why. The secret to McDonald's fries lies in their texture, and russet Burbanks are simply the best for the job. With a high starch content and low moisture, these potatoes are ideal for creating fries that are crispy on the outside but fluffy on the inside. Their large, long shape is perfect for making those iconic fries we all recognize, but it's not just about size. Russet Burbanks hold their shape perfectly during frying and absorb just the right amount of oil, creating that unforgettable crispiness that makes McDonald's fries so irresistible. So, where do these exceptional potatoes come from? McDonald's sources its potatoes from the rich, fertile soil of the Pacific Northwest region of the United States, particularly from states like Idaho, Washington, and Oregon. This area is known for its volcanic soil, which is packed with essential nutrients that help the potatoes grow strong and healthy. The climate in this region is perfect for potato cultivation, too. With cool temperatures and consistent rainfall, the conditions help the potatoes grow to their optimal size and quality. In fact, Idaho alone produces over a third of all the potatoes grown in the United States, making it a powerhouse in potato farming. The combination of nutrient-rich soil, favorable climate, and careful management by expert farmers creates the ideal conditions for producing the high-quality potatoes that McDonald's fries depend on. Growing potatoes for McDonald's is an art form that begins in the early spring. Farmers don't use regular seeds for these potatoes. Instead, they plant small potato chunks, called seed potatoes, that contain buds or eyes. These eyes will sprout and grow into new plants. The fields are prepared with precision, ensuring the soil has just the right balance of essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. In addition, farmers use crop rotation, a sustainable method that helps keep the soil fertile by planting different crops each year. While the potatoes grow beneath the soil, their plants flourish above the surface. Farmers are meticulous about watering, using state-of-the-art irrigation systems to ensure the plants get exactly what they need. Too much water can affect the size and texture of the potatoes, while too little can stunt growth, so it's crucial to strike the perfect balance. In some areas, McDonald's encourages farmers to use drip irrigation, a more efficient system that delivers water directly to the plant roots, minimizing water waste and promoting sustainability. But that's not all. Farmers also have to be vigilant when it comes to pests and diseases that could harm the crop. McDonald's works closely with its potato suppliers to implement sustainable pest control practices, and some farms use integrated pest management (IPM) systems, which focus on using natural predators, like beneficial insects, to keep pests under control, rather than relying on chemical pesticides. When the summer winds down and fall begins, it's time for harvesting. Farmers rely on specialized machinery called potato harvesters to dig into the soil, gently lift the potatoes from the ground, and deposit them onto the field for collection. These harvesters are high-tech marvels designed to preserve the integrity of the potatoes, ensuring that they aren't damaged as they are pulled from the earth. After the harvest, the potatoes are carefully sorted, cleaned, and sent off to be processed, all while maintaining the high standards McDonald's demands. The entire process, from sole preparation to pest control, irrigation to harvesting, is a delicate balance that ensures only the best potatoes make their way to McDonald's kitchens. It's a process rooted in precision, care, and a commitment to quality. And that's just the beginning of the journey. In the next steps, these potatoes will go through an intricate, high-tech process that transforms them into the iconic fries we all love. But it all starts here, with the perfect potato, grown with care, in the ideal conditions. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the amazing journey from farm to fry. McDonald's fries are not just a side dish. They are a global phenomenon, adored by millions of people around the world. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, they have become a cultural icon. But have you ever wondered what goes into creating that perfect golden fry? The process is far more complex and fascinating than you might think. From the fields where the potatoes are grown to the moment they land in your hands at the drive-thru, every step is meticulously planned to ensure that only the finest fries reach your plate. Let's take a deep dive into the journey at McDonald's fries, a journey that blends traditional farming practices with cutting-edge technology, passion, and precision. It all begins with the potato, the humble yet essential core ingredient that forms the foundation of this iconic snack. McDonald's uses millions of pounds of potatoes every year, and not just any potatoes will do. The process starts on the farms, where farmers carefully grow the best quality potatoes specifically for McDonald's, and the variety chosen plays a crucial role. The most common potato used is the russet Burbank, a variety known for its high starch content and low moisture, perfect for achieving that crispy exterior while maintaining a soft, fluffy interior. These potatoes are not only large and long, helping create the perfect fries, but they also have the ability to absorb just the right amount of all, ensuring the fries are both crispy and tender. The russet Burbank's natural qualities are key in creating McDonald's signature fries, the ones customers all over the world crave. The journey continues in the Pacific Northwest of the United States, specifically Idaho, Washington, and Oregon. These areas are known for their rich volcanic soil, perfect climate, and consistent rainfall, which together create the ideal growing conditions for potatoes. In Idaho alone, thousands of farmers are dedicated to growing potatoes for McDonald's, and the state produces over a third of the nation's potatoes. These regions' fertile soil and expert farming techniques help produce the high-quality potatoes McDonald's needs to create its perfect fries. The process of growing potatoes for McDonald's starts in early spring, when farmers plant seed potatoes. These aren't ordinary seeds, but small potato chunks containing buds, or eyes, which sprout into new plants. Over the growing season, farmers carefully monitor their fields, ensuring the soil is rich in nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. Crop rotation is also practiced to keep the soil healthy, preventing depletion of essential nutrients. To ensure the potatoes receive just the right amount of water, state-of-the-art irrigation systems are used, preventing too much or too little water from affecting the quality of the potatoes. But growing potatoes isn't just about watering and fertilizing. Farmers must also combat pests and diseases that threaten the crop. McDonald's works closely with their farmers to implement sustainable pest control methods. Some farms use integrated pest management (IPM) systems, which reduce the need for harmful pesticides by using biological controls like beneficial insects. Sustainability is a key focus, with McDonald's pushing for more environmentally friendly practices across their potato farms. As summer turns to fall, it's time for harvest. Potato harvesters, large specialized machines, gently dig into the soil, lifting the potatoes and depositing them into bins. These bins are carefully packed to avoid bruising or damaging the potatoes. Once harvested, the potatoes are transported to McDonald's processing plants in massive trucks designed to maintain optimal conditions. During transport, temperature regulation ensures that the potatoes arrive in perfect condition, preventing spoilage or damage during their journey. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the potatoes undergo an initial quality check. McDonald's sets extremely high standards for the potatoes used in their fries. Advanced technology, like optical sorting machines equipped with cameras and sensors, ensures that only the best potatoes move forward. McDonald's fries are truly a global favorite, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and undeniably iconic. Have you ever wondered how such perfection is achieved? Let's take a fascinating look at the entire journey these golden fries take, from the farm to your plate, with each step powered by innovation, care, and precision. The journey begins with the potatoes, specifically the russet Burbank variety, chosen for its high starch content and low moisture, which results in the crispy texture that McDonald's fries are known for. Grown in regions like Idaho, Washington, and Oregon, these potatoes thrive in rich volcanic soil, ideal climates, and careful farming practices. Farmers use advanced techniques such as crop rotation and efficient irrigation systems to ensure the potatoes grow to perfection. Once harvested in late summer or early fall, the potatoes undergo a careful transport process to McDonald's food processing plants, where the magic truly begins. The first stop at the plant is a thorough quality control inspection, where optical sorting machines ensure that only the finest potatoes move forward. Potatoes that don't meet McDonald's high standards are repurposed for other uses, like animal feed. Next, the potatoes are peeled in large, efficient machines using steam and abrasion. They then enter the cutting machines, which use high-pressure water jets to slice them into perfect fries. The fries are then blanched, briefly boiled in water to remove natural sugars and starches. This crucial step ensures that the fries cook evenly and maintain a consistent texture. After blanching, the fries undergo their first fry, where they are partially cooked in a special blend of vegetable oils. The oils used, including canola and soybean, help achieve that crispy outer layer while keeping the fries fluffy on the inside. The fries are then rapidly flash frozen to lock in their moisture, flavor, and texture. Flash freezing ensures they remain perfect during transport to McDonald's restaurants around the world. Once at the restaurant, the fries are stored in freezers until an order is placed. When it's time to serve, the fries are fried fresh in commercial fryers set to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After a quick 3 to 4 minutes in the fryer, the fries are golden, crispy, and ready to be salted just the right amount. They're then served in McDonald's iconic red and yellow cartons, hot and fresh. McDonald's has also made significant strides in sustainability, from sourcing potatoes grown using water-efficient systems to minimizing the environmental impact of packaging and transportation. The company is even exploring ways to recycle used frying oil for biodiesel production. The process behind McDonald's fries is nothing short of impressive, from farm to factory, with a perfect blend of technology, sustainability, and precision at every step. That's why McDonald's fries have remained a customer favorite for decades. So, next time you enjoy a serving of these golden fries, you can appreciate the incredible journey they've made to get to your plate. If you found this journey behind the scenes fascinating, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into how your favorite foods are made.